So let's keep on going. Let's change our color scheme, right? Because that color scheme is atrocious. So let's see what beautiful default options Vim has for all of us. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in color scheme into our editor. So everyone, go in there, go into command mode. Remember, type in colon, and go color, and then hit Control D. See what comes up. Well, you can see there's only one option, color scheme. So I'm going to hit Tab. It auto-fills it for me. But what color schemes are available? What do you think you should press? Control D. Hopefully you're thinking Control D. We've been going over this. You can hit Control D. You could also hit Tab. Right now, if you have a blank VimRC, you should see effectively the same set of options right here that I see. And you can just pick one. Try picking out a couple. See which horrifying color schemes feel the best for you. Me personally, I'm going to probably pick Desert. Oh, it just feels a little bit better. And when I look at that beautiful code, you know, I got that bright green. Oh, man, like, look at that. Look at how beautiful these colors are, right? We'll pick out some better ones here soon, but you can know that you can do this. So I can set my color scheme. You want to guess how we're going to make the color scheme stick? How would we make it persist between sessions? Oh, wait. I think we all know at this point. Open up your VimRC. Go to it. Go to the bottom. Now, here's a fun little fact for you. If you do Shift-G, capital G, you'll go to the bottom. GG for good game starts at the top. All right? So Shift-G, go to the bottom, hit O, add a new space in there, type in color scheme, and then just do whatever one you chose. I chose Desert. There we go. I have it. Awesome. I'm going to escape, right, boom, reopen it back up, and notice it's now different. I now have a saved color scheme that's being selected, and I have a new set of colors. Slightly less offensive to the eyes, but still fairly offensive to the eyes. Sorry if I hurt, I think LSU. I think they're purple and yellow. Sorry if I hurt any LSU fans. Hey, come on, man. Those are cool colors. Okay, sure. Anywho, so now we've done it. We're starting to get our VimRC. Hopefully everyone's feeling a little bit more confident. You start to see how this game's going to go. We're going to see things we don't like, or we're going to find things we want differently. We now need to edit our VimRC and make it different every time, right? All right, so let's go back, and I think that's really all I had to do. Yeah, there's the recap. Yeah, what we've learned so many different things. I already explained everything what we learned, but we'll do it.